In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for remodeling, a step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select the right model for your task, craft prompts that produce buildable plans, audit contractor bids with confidence, and choose durable materials that match your space and lifestyle. First, match your project scope to the proper model tier. Before you start calculating tile counts or planning big layout changes, check the model selection framework at the top of your chat window. Keep it on the instant tier for quick operational calculations. Things like converting square footage to square meters, estimating tile overage, verifying standard plumbing rough-in clearances, or running fast budget math. When you're mapping structural changes, sequencing multi-week schedules, or coordinating trades, switch to the thinking tier. Its deeper reasoning is ideal for structural logic, weight distribution, and step-by-step demolition planning. You can swap tiers as you go, use instant for the math, then thinking for planning details. Next, use the scope of work and demolition blueprint prompt. Avoid starting with something vague like, give me remodeling ideas for an old bathroom. Instead, paste this role prompt and fill in the placeholders to get a buildable scope of work. Act as a licensed general contractor, structural remodeling expert, and construction project manager. I am planning a comprehensive remodel of a insert room type, e.g. 1990s kitchen guest bathroom, measuring insert dimensions, e.g. 10x 12 feet. The goals are to modernize the layout and optimize the spatial footprint. Provide a structured scope of work blueprint detailing. A 5-step sequential demolition and structural prep plan, critical inspection milestones to pass before closing up the walls, electrical, plumbing, framing, and a list of structural assumptions or common hidden liabilities, like water damage or outdated wiring, to look out for during tear out. This sets expectations, forces sequencing, and surfaces risks before you open walls. Then use the contractor estimate and line item auditor prompt to review bids. Copy the quote text and run. Act as a construction estimator, quantity surveyor, and consumer protection advocate. I am reviewing a contractor's quote for a remodeling project focused on insert project scope, e.g., a full master bathroom renovation. Below, I will paste the text of the contractor's itemized bid, analyze the quote for potential pricing anomalies, identify any ambiguous line items that need stricter clarification, such as loose miscellaneous material fees, and list 3 critical line items that are commonly omitted but essential to prevent costly change orders later. Quote, text, paste bids, estimates here. Use the results to request clarifications and lock down scope. Finally, use the material durability and finish matrix prompt to pick materials by performance, not just looks. Act as a commercial materials engineer, interior architectural specifier, and high-end residential builder. I am selecting finishes for a insert room type remodel featuring a insert target aesthetic, e.g. modern industrial organic minimalist look. The space faces insert environmental factors, e.g. high humidity, heavy foot traffic from pets. Generate a comprehensive finishes schedule formatted as a clean markdown, table tracking. Surface area, flooring, counters, walls. Recommended high performance material option. Required substrate, prep/waterproofing method, and maintenance/sealing requirements over a 5-year life cycle. Bring that schedule to your supplier to verify availability and care requirements. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.